Welcome back, friends. I'm Heather, and today I am going to guide you through a 20-minute kettlebell workout. So I've got my heavy kettlebell. I'm rocking a 25-pound one today, but bring one for yourself that is challenging. We're going to have full body movements. We're going to really boost that heart rate, strengthen our muscles, and have some fun in all under 20 minutes. So let's head to our mat. All right, getting our workout started. Let's begin to march on the spot wherever you're at, whether you're at home, whether you're outside, whether you're at the gym, whether you're bringing a kettlebell into a hotel, wherever you're at, let's start warming up the body. So we want to build a little bit of heat before we get into our big movements so that we can get our full range of motion and get the most out of our workout. Let's roll our shoulders and then roll them the other direction. Oh, I am so excited to bring this kettlebell workout to you guys. I've been having so much fun bringing my kettlebell back into my life. It's kind of that piece of equipment that I often forget about. Take your feet out nice and wide, just bring a little twist, and maybe you're the same way. Maybe you forget about it, and it's just fun to bring it back in. But it's a great piece of equipment, and you can do a lot of different things with it. All right, we're gonna reach up and over, bring that big stretch. Let's point the toe and just straighten that leg as we reach. Let's do 4 more. 3, 2, 1. With our feet nice and wide, sit down and rise. Down and rise, just like that. Sit your hips down and back. So we've got some big leg movements happening today. So we gotta warm them up with squats. And hey, while we're here, let me tell you about our exercises. We're gonna do a circuit workout. We're bringing a kettlebell swing, we're gonna have squats, we're gonna have single leg deadlifts and upright rows and lunges. So much good stuff coming your way. Let's do 4 more and 3. You got 2, good, and 1. All right, are you ready? Shake out your legs. Super quick warm up. We're doing 15 minutes of work, and then we'll have a little cool down and stretch. So we're gonna be beginning with our kettlebell swings. We're gonna do about 45 seconds of work, a 15-second transition. We might cut that a little bit shorter, and then we'll just move on through it 3 times through it. So grab your kettlebell, bring your feet wider than those shoulders. We're gonna start with our kettlebell swings. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Down and up. So with that swing, bring it no higher than your face. You want to use your hips to drive that forward every single time. And our arms stay straight. We're going to naturally hinge forward. Keep that going, and I'm going to show you the side view. You might not be on the same tempo here as me, but I want to show you what it looks like from the side. So we have that little hinge forward, a little bend in those knees. Keep this going. Nice. And as you'll notice, your abs are working hard here, your shoulders, your upper body, your legs. Let's do 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Good. All right, go ahead, grab that weight, bring it to your chest. We're gonna do a squat with an overhead press. So you're gonna hold this so you can press it up overhead. Feet just outside those shoulders. Here we go. We're gonna squat and press, squat and press. Now, you can do this squat and not add the press if you don't want to. If you picked a heavy weight, it feels like too much for those shoulders, that's okay. Just do the squat. You choose. Keep going. Down and up. Down and up. 45 seconds. It's a long time for our work. So go at your own tempo here. Keep going. We got 10 more seconds. Stay with it. Remember to breathe. Keep going. Can we do 3 more? Good. 2 and 1. Nice. All right, from there, we're gonna transition to a single leg deadlift. And I'm gonna come to the side to show you. Half of it is gonna be on one side, the other half on the other leg. So we're gonna hinge forward. We come back up, tap that toe, lift. Same one. Find that slow hinge, Rise it up and lift. So keep those shoulders down and back. A little bend in that standing leg. We are really working the hamstring like crazy here. Working those upper back muscles to not let ourselves roll and round forward. Keep going. One more. Good. And let's do the other side. I'm gonna turn this way this time. All right, find that hinge. Leg goes back, hinge, come up, tap, and lift. Here we go, down and up, hello balance. This is the most balance challenging exercise that we're gonna have. Keep going. Hinge and rise. One more, here it is. Hinge and rise, good. All right, from here, we're gonna pick it on up. All right, we're gonna rack this weight. That means we're gonna hold it near our shoulder on the one side. I'm gonna turn to the side here. Your arm is gonna go out to the side. We're gonna have a lunge, and then back up. A lunge, and up. So we're staying on that one side. Find your big step back. Lower your back knee down, and notice that front knee stays right over top of the ankle. Down and up. We've got this arm out to the side just to help counterbalance. Keep going. Down and up. 3 more. Good. 2. And 1 more. Nice. All right, switch to the other side. So rack that weight. Hold that there. Your arm is out to the side. I'll move this. And I'll step back. Here we go. Back. Woo! Find your balance, Heather. Here we go, back and up. I did the wrong leg, that's why. I thought it felt weird. Step the same leg back that's holding the weight. Keep going. Back and up. Back and up. Nice. Lower. So think about that back knee lowering down. Keep going. Can we do 4 more? 4 and 3. Good work. 2. Nice. Last one. All right. Take a 10-second break. All right, 1 round is done. We know our exercises. Your breathing is up, and I'm not alone in that. Let's go ahead and go through that all again. Hold your kettlebell. Let's start our kettlebell swings. Here we go. Get a little momentum going. Remember, hips drive. Your arms are not doing the work here. Your entire body, from your hips, your legs, all working along with your core. Keep going. Arms are just here for the ride. Stay with it. Nice. You're almost there. How many more are we gonna do? Let's do 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. From there, grab that weight, bring it near your chest. We've got our squat with overhead press. Feet are outside your shoulders. Lift your chest, shoulders down and back. Here we go. Squat and press. Squat and press. Exercises like this, where we're working our lower body and our upper body. Really boost the metabolism, get the heart rate up even more, and we're seriously just way more effective with our time when we combine them both together. Keep this going. Down, remember the option, just the squat. Keep going. Push it up if you want. Feel that big press. How many more are we gonna do? 5 more. Let's go. 5 and 4. Brace the core. 3, 2, and 1. Good. All right, remember what's next? Single leg deadlift. Turning to the side. Shoulders are back. Take that back. A little bend in that standing leg. Here we go. Find your hinge. It's nice and slow. And then upright row. Find your hinge. And lift. And rise. When you do that upright row, I want those elbows leading that movement. Keep going, hinge, and up. Rise them high, one more. Rise it up. Good, let's switch to the other side. Other leg goes back, find that slow hinge, and rise. Bring that up, good work. Hinge, and rise. When we hinge, remember, never let those shoulders roll forward here. Stay with that neutral spine. Your eyes look just past your toes as you hinge. One more time, here we go. Down, and rise. Hold that up. All right, we're gonna rack that. Hold that there. Remember, the same leg, same arm for our lunge. Stepping back. So we've got the arm out to the side. Hold that there. Here we go. Back and up. Back and up. Nice. When we hold this weight on the one side, and especially if we've got a heavy weight, your core is having to work like crazy. One, so that you're not tipping over to the side. But two, just to keep your body upright and staying stable. So much good work here. Keep going. Back and up. Push through your front heel when you come up. Back and up. 3 more. We got 2. And 1 more. Switch sides. Bring that down. Bring this one up. Arm out to the side. Same leg going back. Here we go. Back and up. Nice. This is all about control. Control in this movement here. Stay with it. Back and up. And remember, I'm moving at my tempo. You can match this tempo. Go slower, go faster. Go wherever you need to take this. Down and up. Down and up. 5 more. Mini break is coming in 4. You've got it. 3, 2. Last 1. Take a mini break. Set that down. Good work. All right. We have 1 more round to go. How are you doing? Thumbs up? Yes. Me too. Feeling so good. Grab your weight. All right. We know our exercises. We are ready to perfect them. Roll our shoulders back. Feet are nice and wide. Let's set our kettlebell swings. Bring it up. Remember, don't let that weight go higher than your head. If it's flying up there, then you can do a heavier weight. Drive those hips. Keep going. Breathing through it. Almost there. We've got 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, yes, 3, 2, 1. Nice. We're gonna bring that up. Hold that here. Take your feet just outside those shoulders. Squat and overhead press. Or hey, just your squat. Up. Full body working at its finest here today. Drive it up, down, and up. Now think about, is the weight even in both feet? Keep it there. Don't let the weight shift to one side. We all have one side that's a little stronger and it might take over. Keep that weight nice and even. Keep going, down and up, down and up. We're almost there. Push. This is your last round. Maybe you're starting to feel tired. Hey, I am. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it with you. We're gonna get through this together. 3 more times. 3 and 2. Last 1. Good. Okay, hold that weight. Single leg deadlift. Let's bring this one back first this time. Shoulders are back. Find that slow hinge. Hinge that forward. Lift it back up and rise. I'm gonna kick my window if I go forward like that. Woo. Hinge, rise it up, and lift. Hinge, little bend in that standing leg. Hello, balance. Oh, it's having to work here. Good. Lift it up and rise. Down. You're almost there. Let's do 2 more on the side. Hinge and up. Big pull. Last one. And rise. Good. Okay. Switch sides. Other foot is back. Find that lift with your chest. Little bend in your standing leg. Here we go. Hinge and rise. You're always going to have one side that just balances better than the other. And I'm glad to say, this is that side for me. That first one was all kinds of wobbly. But the beauty is, we keep working at it. Our balance gets better. Which if you've done any of my yoga videos here, then you know the more you do it, the better your balance becomes. 2 more. Down and up. Last one. Here we go. Good. All right. Let's go ahead. Rack that weight. Bring it on the side. Arm is out. That leg is going to go back. Here we go. Back and up. Back and up. Now, this last round of lunges, a tiny bit shorter. Instead of 45 seconds, we'll do like 40. Just kidding. Closer to 30. You're almost done with your workout. A stretch and a cool down is coming so soon. Let's do 3 more. You got it. 2 and 1. Switch sides. Lower down. Bring it up. Rack that weight. Arm out to the side. Let's go. Back, up, back, and up. Nice. Lifted chest. Keep that balance. Almost there. Back and up. Just a little tap, that's all. Good. Oh, 10 more seconds. Friends, that is all we've got left in our workout. Almost there. 2 more lunges. Last one. And set that down. You have made it. How do you feel? Whew. Let's twist. My heart rate is way up there. How's your heart rate? Did it feel like a good workout? I hope so. All right, let's just swing side to side. Little stretch. Little overhead stretch here. And then just have to press that to the side. Good. And reach your arm. Big side body stretch here. Legs are nice and wide. We're not narrow. We're not focusing on our balance. Other side. Reach it up and over. Looking on up to it. Good. And lift it up. Enjoyed this workout. Be sure to leave a thumbs up down below. Leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite part was. But I'm here for you. Make sure to subscribe, and I can't wait to see you at our next workout together. Bye.